what is economic growth and economic development? One we define both. Economic development means long-term economic growth, such as countries having an increased rate of income. The second economic growth is the increase of national income or national income regarding economic goods and products compared to one from another. Economic growth includes changes in material production and during a relatively short period of time, usually 1 year. In economic theory, under the concept of economic growth, implies an annual increase of material production expressed in value. The rate of growth of GDP. What is GDP? Gross domestic production or national income. For the economic development of any country is also of great importance and changes in production, structure and introduction of new products, new technologies and new techniques, new process of production, raw materials, new energy sources, changes in distribution of factors of production in their new local and not only labor but of the entire technical potential. Labor productivity is the most important factor of economic growth. It represents the ratio of total input, output divided by the number of workers housing a particular sector or at the level of the economy. Under the concept of investment, we mean investing in fixed and evolving funds. That is about all the social product that is not spent, but it is used for replacement and construction of new capacity. Due to the fact that in its economic and analytical character, a homogeneous macroeconomic category in terms of economic growth and expanded social reproduction. New investment can be positive, negative or zero. When the gross investment increase by substitution, then the new investment is positive. Dear learners, when the gross investment of equal replacement, then the new investments are equal to zero. When the gross investment less than replacement, then the new investment is negative. The economic development is programs, policies, or activities that seek to improve the economic well-being and equality of life for community. What economic development means to you will depend on the community. Live in each community has its own opportunities, challenges, and priorities. I love you. Best of luck.